Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name is Dice, and today we're gonna talk about how to create the life that you want and the life of your dreams. Let's get right into the video. Well, the first step is to set out your bigger plans for the future. Also, your sub-plans, sub-actions, steps to start right now. These ones will motivate you to work, and by working one step at a time, you get closer to your goals. The thing that is important is for you to work smarter. You don't have to work as hard if you know how to work smart. You can outwork everyone else if you work effectively and efficiently in whatever thing that you desire. And with this, you create an outline for your future, and it organizes what you need to do in order to succeed in that. The second one is to learn the necessary books, information, skills, and sub-skills for the things that you want in your life to manifest. And also, by learning it, you become more experienced and have more information about any type of subject that you might need for whatever niche that you are going to be working on. So in these two steps, it is key to learn books, learn about people who have succeeded in what you've done. And if there's no people, learn about books and get some inspiration about them. And number 3 is to network with people and find an online mentor or have successful friends. And the better it would be to have both. So, by networking with people, you have the ability to talk about your dreams and goals, get some ideas, get some advice from people who are also motivated in your category. And this is important because people who strive for their dreams will push you up so that you can achieve yours. And this one's really key. And you can find an online mentor in YouTube. It's really easy. And the number 4 and the last one is to keep going. Be consistent and never give up on your dreams and goals. By doing the last 3 steps, you get closer and closer to your goals every single time. So never put your head down. Keep working, keep going, and be consistent every single time. Do not give up on your dreams. Stay focused, and you will achieve it no matter what. You have to know that by dreaming and achieving and taking action, every single dream of yours will be accomplished. I hope these steps help you create the life that you dream about. Thanks for watching and see you next time.